It is April 27th, just about 8 o'clock. We're heading to trial number 2. So we got the throttle all the way down. We're going to do a temperature check fairly quickly. 13.7, 15, 14.8, 13, 13.2, 17, 17, so it's actually, the motor is not ambient. That's actually surprising. 16, power supply is 13, and we are at 15 degrees there. We are at 14 degrees there. Everything looks good. We got this down. Contactor's pulled in. This one isn't. We'll turn that on. Oh, it wasn't off. Ah, interesting. Okay. Got the power off here, so I'm going to bring that up. Wake up my laptop. And am I capturing? No, I'm not. This will be AC2, transfer capture, DC2, and that one up there. Okay, so we are going to turn the power on. And on, we've got both transfer, send text file. Actually, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to go config. So maximum battery amps regen is 200. I think that's where I might be running into trouble. I'm going to go max, battery, amps, regen, space 400, config, and save. Do transfer, text file. I'm going to send ZAC. I'm going to go RTD-1000. And they're starting about the same time. So my throttle is at minus 1255. That's a little much. So we're at 0. Okay. So I'm going to attempt to do this much more quickly. I'm going to start with minus 1000 on the regen and see if I can speed things up a whole lot faster. We got some jiggling happening. I got pulse width at 163. My temperature is at 37 degrees. At 51, my pulse width is only 230. I got 300 amps. I'm going to let it go to 4,000. So the general gist of it is I had max throttle. I've got a 20 turn pot, and I went through all 20 turns for the DC motor, the DC controller. On the AC motor, my throttle is about minus 2,100. I cranked it. I got overcurrent fault. The hardware overcurrent protection just came on and saved the day. There was some hardware fault caused, not originating on the mic controller, not by me. So that was Paul's comment. And I have just realized that I have not done a timing sync. So all the videos will be synced to this sound. And I didn't have any way of putting the video together with my data logging except for my audio and when I started. So that's not great, but it's not all that bad either. My AC motor cables are warm and squishy to the touch. They are actually really, really easy to bend right now. So the motor, the cables are number 4, I think. The cables that are on the 600 volt are all the same size. I'm just going to read what the size is once I figure out. It's 2 gauge. 2 gauge, 90 degrees Celsius, so those are maybe 4 or 6 gauge. The black and the 2 reds over there. So we'll do some temperatures because I just remembered. So the top of the brushes is about 28 degrees. The commutator itself looks to be about 30. And on the top here, I'm getting 28 degrees. And I got a hot spot in there that just flashed 30. 32, okay. Here, I'm at 19.2. Here, I am at 36 degrees. That's probably going to be the hottest one on there. We had full conduction at one point over here. I don't know why these DC controller IGBTs are not hot at all. It's kind of surprising, really. And I've got 16 degrees. It's not hot at all. So I am going to shut off video.